Here we have scruffy stockings with ingredients at the bottom. Next we have the twig the seasons with ingredients at the bottom. Then we have sniff gifts with ingredients in the bottom. We have the deer made in the US nylon. We have the duck's rope dog toy made in the USA. Then we have the rubber toy made in the USA. Here's our puppy checking out the box. He was quite fond of the scruffy stockings. Here we have him eating the Sniff's gifts. Here he's eating the Twigs the season. Next he's playing with a nylon deer. Then the Duke's rope dog toy. Finally he's playing with a rubber dog toy.